Hello, welcome to speaking test 2. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. And to start with, what is your name?
My name is Leah.
Hello, Leah. How old are you? 7 years old. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Good to know. And what colors do you like?
I'm happy.
Red. Do you like purple? No, I don't. Do you like yellow? Yes, you do. Do you like pink? And what food do you like? Chicken. Very good. Now, what letter is it? G. Sound. Good. What letter is it? H. Good. What letter is it? J. L. Sound. Good. Now look and see the word that has sound. G. G. Very good. What color is the guitar? It's red. And look and say the word that has sound. J. J. Jellyfish. What color is it? It's green. Okay. And what about look and say the word that has sound. Ladder. What color is it? It's yellow or orange? Orange. Good. And igloo. Very good. Now, teacher Red has a big picture here. What do you see? I see a monkey. What do you call a big monkey? Gorilla. Do you like gorillas? Yes, you do. And what's this? The one on top of their heads? It's a hat. And how many hats are there? Let's count, Liam. 1, 2, 7. Let's see. Let's count. 1. So how many hats are there? 9 hats. And is this a cat? No. What's this? It's an It's an iguana. Very good. And what's this? This one. What do you see? I see. This one, the yellow one. I see a jet. And what's the beginning letter for the jet? Letter J. Sound. J. Good. And what's this? It's a kite. What color is it? It's green. And what do you see? And this one? I see a lemon. And what's the beginning letter? Letter lemon. Good. And that concludes our speaking test, Liam. Goodbye. Goodbye.